The drone world is standing at the edge of a transformation that feels less like an upgrade cycle and more like a complete redefinition of what compact aerial technology can achieve. Not long ago, sub-250-gram drones were seen as compromises, lightweight tools that traded serious performance for portability and regulatory freedom. That perception began to shift dramatically with the arrival of the Mini 5 Pro, a device that proved small drones could deliver professional-grade results. Now, all attention is turning toward what comes next, and the growing wave of information surrounding the Mini 6 Pro suggests that we are not simply looking at another iteration, but at a product that could completely blur the lines between compact and professional drone categories. This is no longer about squeezing incremental improvements into a small frame. It is about redefining the expectations of size, power, and capability. At the heart of this transformation is the rumored introduction of a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, a development that could fundamentally change the imaging capabilities of a drone this small. Stacked sensor technology represents a significant leap forward because it allows for dramatically faster readout speeds and improved data processing directly at the sensor level. This translates into reduced rolling shutter effects, cleaner motion capture, and a level of dynamic range that begins to rival much larger and more expensive camera systems. The idea of capturing 6K video at 60 frames per second from a drone that fits into a jacket pocket no longer sounds unrealistic. With an estimated 14 stops of dynamic range, creators would have the flexibility to recover details from shadows and highlights in ways that were previously impossible in this category, especially during challenging lighting conditions like sunrise or sunset. Equally important is the potential addition of a variable aperture, a feature that many users have been requesting for years. If the Mini 6 Pro allows users to adjust between f1.8 and f11, it would eliminate one of the biggest workflow limitations of compact drones. Instead of relying on ND filters or adjusting shutter speeds in less than ideal ways, pilots would gain real-time control over exposure and depth of field. This single change could elevate the drone from a convenient travel companion to a legitimate professional tool, capable of handling a wide range of shooting environments without compromise. It also introduces a level of creative control that aligns more closely with traditional photography and cinematography, making the device far more appealing to serious content creators. Beyond imaging, the internal processing power is expected to see a major leap forward with the inclusion of a dedicated AI coprocessor. This specialized hardware would allow the drone to handle complex tasks such as real-time subject tracking, obstacle avoidance, and even on-the-fly color adjustments without overloading the main processor. The result is smoother performance, higher frame rates, and more reliable tracking, even in fast-paced or unpredictable environments. This is particularly important for creators who rely on precision, as it ensures that the drone can maintain focus on a subject without lag or loss of accuracy, regardless of how dynamic the scene becomes. Safety, especially in low-light conditions, is another area where the Mini 6 Pro is expected to introduce groundbreaking improvements. Traditional vision-based obstacle avoidance systems struggle in darkness because they rely heavily on visible light. The introduction of a laser-based navigation system changes that equation entirely. By using laser pulses to map the environment in 3 dimensions, the drone can detect obstacles even in complete darkness. This means that flying at night or during low-light conditions becomes significantly safer, opening up new creative possibilities for night photography and videography. Whether navigating through dense urban environments or natural landscapes, the drone would be able to maintain awareness of its surroundings with a level of precision that was previously unattainable. Transmission technology is also set to receive a major upgrade with the rumored O5 system. While long-range capabilities are often highlighted, the real benefit lies in signal stability and penetration. In environments filled with interference, such as cities with dense infrastructure or areas saturated with wireless signals, maintaining a strong and reliable connection is critical. The ability to deliver a high-quality live feed at 1080p and 120 frames per second, even in challenging conditions, ensures that pilots can operate with confidence. This level of reliability is essential for professional work, where losing signal is not just inconvenient but potentially costly. Perhaps the most ambitious claim surrounding the Mini 6 Pro is the possibility of a 60-minute flight time. Battery life has long been one of the biggest limitations of drones, with most models operating within a 30 to 45-minute window under ideal conditions. Achieving a full hour of flight would require significant advancements in battery technology, likely involving higher energy density cells using silicon-based materials. If this becomes a reality, it would drastically change how drone pilots approach their work. Instead of constantly managing battery swaps and planning short flights, creators could focus on capturing the perfect shot without interruption. It also reduces the need to carry multiple batteries, making the overall system more portable and efficient. Maintaining all of these advancements within the 249-gram weight limit presents a significant engineering challenge, but it is one that appears to be central to the design philosophy. Achieving this balance likely involves the use of advanced materials such as carbon fiber composites and magnesium alloys, which offer increased strength while reducing weight. These materials not only help keep the drone within regulatory limits, but also improve durability and heat dissipation. As internal components become more powerful, effective thermal management becomes increasingly important, and these materials play a key role in ensuring consistent performance during extended use. Looking ahead, the expected release window suggests that this drone is still in development, with a likely launch in late 2026 or early 2027. This timeline aligns with typical product cycles and indicates that the company is taking the time to refine these ambitious features. Pricing is expected to reflect the advanced capabilities, potentially placing the base model in the upper tier of the compact drone market. While this may represent a noticeable increase compared to previous models, the value proposition becomes clear when considering the possibility of replacing larger, more expensive drones in many scenarios. All signs point to a device that challenges the traditional relationship between size and performance. The Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be more than just a successor. It is a statement about the future of drone technology. It suggests a world where portability no longer requires compromise, where a device small enough to fit in your pocket can deliver results that rival professional equipment. As more details emerge, it becomes increasingly clear that this is not just an evolution, but a turning point that could redefine the expectations of an entire category.